Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm back with an exciting news everyone. KodeKloud is offering all of their premium courses and labs completely free for an entire week. That's right, you heard it correctly. Every single course and lab that KodeKloud offers is now available to you at absolutely no cost for an entire week starting from 24th of April till 30th of April. This is an incredible opportunity to expand your knowledge and learn new skills that will help you advance in your career. KodeKloud's courses and labs are top notch and cover a wide range of topics from programming languages to cloud computing and DevOps. So don't miss out on this amazing offer. Head over to KodeKloud's website now and start exploring all the amazing courses and labs that they have to offer for free. So now you might ask me, can I master entire courses for 1 week? The answer would be no, obviously. But what you can do instead is explore the platform and see if this platform will help you upskill, right? So I have personally used KodeKloud 1 year subscription from 2021 to 2022. So I upskilled myself in the field of Docker and Kubernetes. This platform is a really helpful platform. In fact, like setting up Kubernetes on your own self, it takes too much time and effort. But here they have made it very simple. There is a lab where you can go and execute all the commands entirely for free, right? So try out this platform. If you feel that this platform is worth it, go ahead and subscribe for it because that is worth it, right? So that's all I had for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.